As the largest contributor of Singapore's greenhouse gas emissions, the industrial sector holds immense potential to make a decisive shift towards achieving net zero emission targets. In recognition of their achievements in improving industrial energy efficiency and decarbonisation, 18 companies and individuals are receiving the Energy Efficiency National Partnership Awards. Let's hear it from our winners on why and how they won.
Decarbonisation and sustainability is a shared social and corporate responsibility that is deeply embedded in the value system of ST Engineering. We aspire to grow sustainably and to develop products and solutions to support our customers on their sustainability journey as well.
At Abbott, we believe a sustainable future starts with good health. It is the foundation of everything we do. Our goal is to improve the lives of 3 billion people every year by decade's end. Our 2030 plan has targeted actions, including protecting a healthy environment. At our nutrition facilities in Singapore, we have invested in 8 projects with the aim to increase our energy efficiency. From 2018, these efforts have reduced absolute Scope 1 and 2 carbon emission by 12%, in line with our goal to reach 30% by end of 2030.
Being an SME, we have financial and labour constraints. Thus, we prioritize and invest in initiatives that make significant impact, such as these solar panels here, and an energy monitoring system with more than 100 sensors. We also start with small projects, see what works and what don't, before expanding our effort. We are fortunate that we have government grants to tap on to try out new energy efficiency and decarbonisation ideas. Overall, embarking on energy efficiency journey is not only financially responsible, but also advantageous for SMEs.
We have a collaborative approach in implementing energy efficiency projects and solutions to overcome challenges. I believe as an energy manager, providing sufficient and relevant data for energy efficiency initiatives is important.
Energy efficiency is one of SRC's priorities. We also recognize that energy conservation is enhanced from having a workforce that is committed to saving energy alongside focusing on excellence in safety and operations. Therefore, SRC aims to promote and inculcate an energy-saving work culture through our Energy Blitz campaign.
At Reckitt, our corporation provides clear guidelines and standards, and the site team is always empowered to strive and achieve its ambition to be net zero carbon emission by 2040. Training, awareness, and capability building are constantly rolled out in Reckitt to create the energy savings culture and continuous improvement mindset of our people. There are definitely risks and uncertainties when new technologies are adopted. In Reckitt, we will work together to brainstorm a sustainable solution.
First and foremost, why is energy so vital for Bokum? Located in Singapore, which is one of the costliest energy hubs, achieving energy efficiency becomes our utmost priority. One of the fundamental aspects of our energy management is the active utilization of plan, do, check, act cycle, or the PDCA cycle. It ranges from daily optimization of the plant to achieve maximum energy efficiency to long-term strategic improvement in the energy performance. The effect is we have been able to achieve a 5% reduction in refinery energy intensity from 2018 baseline performance.
As an energy manager, I look for opportunities to optimize our equipment efficiency, to achieve the financial gain, operational excellence, and demonstrate our commitments to sustainable practices.
PCS adopt a practical approach in our ongoing efforts on continually uncovering energy efficiency and improvement opportunity. This includes adopting new technology with innovative engineering, enhancing existing facility, and energy management practices.
At ExxonMobil, we actively identify opportunities to improve energy efficiency as part of our global energy management system. Our turbine extraction optimization project is one such example. We continue to uncover more emission reduction opportunities like carbon capture and storage and lower emission fuels.
In 2018, we targeted Sunwall Corporation to be a zero energy building. Eventually, we overachieved and obtained the first privately owned positive energy building. This building was able to save 1.52 megawatt hour, and the annual solar energy harvested is 1.34 megawatt hour. This successful case has inspired more building owners to venture towards positive energy buildings, and given the recent rise in electricity tariff, it is crucial to uncover opportunities in energy efficiencies.
Energy projects have helped to reduce our operational costs whilst maintaining productivity, which allows for us to be more competitive on a global front. Every initiative and opportunity counts, be it big or small, such as turning off lights and air cons when they're not in use. Every company, including SMEs like us, can invest in energy efficiency where possible. They can opt for LED lights, select 4 or 5 ticks air conditioners, as well as implement other initiatives that are within their means. Grants such as the NEAE 2F are available, which support the costs for implementing energy solutions.
Being energy efficient not only reduces business costs, but also helps to lower carbon emissions, which aligns with Chevron Oronites and the Singapore government's focus on reducing carbon intensity. At Chevron Oronite, we create a pipeline of energy efficiency improvement and decarbonisation ideas. We use a marginal abatement cost curve to identify and prioritize abatement projects. Our engineers participate in regular brainstorming sessions, and we have also appointed energy champions from our operations shift teams to gather ideas from their team members.
Progress Galvanizing Innovative Heat Recovery Project was identified to improve the energy efficiency of the company. The recovered heat energy is used to heat up our chemical tank for the pre-treatment process. We save 5.5 terajoules annually and maintenance costs for the boiler and cooling tower.
Shell has a long history of innovation. It is in our DNA. We try to make things better than they were before by creating an ecosystem of innovation. Over and above training our employees and encouraging them to innovate, we create partnerships with academia, startups, and government agencies. One such initiative is Flaring Reduction Program at Bukom. This is a combination of long-term capital projects and small-term initiatives.
Alcon leaders are essential in promoting innovation and setting the tone for the organization. Collaboration is highly encouraged both internally and externally to overcome challenges, build an energy-efficient culture, and enhance innovation.
At Alcon, we have set clear energy policies and targets to reduce our energy needs by 15% over the next 5 years, building on our previous achievement of over 40% from 2016 to 2021. This commitment to sustainability guides our energy management team to optimize and reduce energy usage, besides challenging the status quo through adoption of new technologies. For instance, we recently commissioned a low-capacity chiller and plan to expand production by 20% to optimize energy consumption. We are also exploring dynamic changes to our pressure cascade across clean rooms to lower energy needs during non-production hours.
At SSMC, we have an eco-vision policy that aims to protect our environment, and we have also defined a roadmap to achieve carbon neutrality by 2035. Through our actions, we believe we can make a positive difference towards global warming and climate change. One example is the plasma scrubber abatement system that we have installed. It helps to eliminate a staggering 87,000 tons of CO2 equivalent emissions from our wafer fabrication operations annually. To unlock more innovation and create greater value for all in the journey towards energy-efficient manufacturing, we will continue to look for opportunities to collaborate with suppliers and partners in the entire semiconductor value chain, as well as government agencies like NEA and EDB.
Together, we can make a
decisive shift towards energy efficiency
and net zero.
Let us all take action
and seize the opportunities
today.